let's show you what's happening on the other side as well. This, remember, again, is the Indigo reservation counter. There is security over here trying to manage the crowds. People look defeated. People look tired. People look just done, as somebody said, just done with Indigo. This man over here has, in middle of all this chaos, gone to sleep. Just goes ahead to show you the level of fatigue that has set in. Sir, tell me, where are you going? How long have you been here?
I'm coming from Hong Kong, so I have to transmit. They issued the boarding pass, everything. After I can come and see the flight is cancelled. How see the crowd? Huh? What is the solution? Only 2 or 3% sitting there. People are standing, 1,000 people. How they answer to the 3%? What is doing the government? The Air Force Ministry is available or not? We should know. If you are asking me, ask to anything, the people asking the anti-government. What is called in India?
सर हम बस बात ही तो कर रहे हैं लोगों से.
बाहर पैसेंजर हैं, आप जितनी बात करनी है आप कीजिए. लेकिन
Okay, we've now been asked to leave. सर हम कोई दिक्कत नहीं करेंगे, चिंता नहीं करिए. We have now been asked to leave, so we'll walk out gradually. But while we go, let's keep giving you shots of what's happening over here. There are young kids. There are kids over here. There are people who are standing in line. There is a small vending machine where there's some cola, etc. if you want to take, but the rest. But if you see the glimpse inside the airport as well, the crowd inside the airport as well is quite bad. You see all those people. When 60% of the flights in the country are not operating, clearly what we are seeing outside is just the tip of the iceberg. Let's try and walk back now, because we've been asked to leave. The security, CISF is here and they're asking us to leave the area. We'll abide by the rules, we'll go out, but we'll also keep bringing you the latest that is coming in. Just the tip of the iceberg. I dread to think what's going to be happening inside the airport. All those whose luggage has either been checked in and they don't know where to go, how to proceed. This is the massive aviation mess, the massive Indigo mess.